Hello everyone, join me in doing hands-on examination, WordPress plugin development. The scenario that I choose is the student enrollment form. So let's now begin. First is to open your File Explorer and then go to local disk. Then find the SAMP, then htdocs, and then WordPress, and then WP content, plugins, and then the folder that you created, and this is the file. So na-attach naman nato ang or na copy-paste naman nato ang code. So madiretso na ta sa SAMP. So naka-start naman ang Apache SQL, pinduton natin admin, and then na ato kan database, which is the WordPress. I-search na nato doon localhost /WordPress kay mag-login kita. Next, kay daon na may ato kuan plugin, which is the student enrollment form. Na-activate na, ayan, as you can see, na-activate na. Then mukadto ka dun sa student enrollment. As you can see, na-add na ang mga students. And then, ayan, naka-add na, diba? Ayan, add new. Dyan ka mag-add ng mga students. So, next, i-edit natin yan. So, click the edit and then, edit natin yung first name. Lagyan natin ng Rose. Kyla Rose. And then, after that, update student. Ganyan. Click the update student. And so, na-update na. Tingnan natin kung na-update ba talaga. So, as you can see, na-update. Kaya laro sumapoy na yung nakalagay. And then, magdi-delete tayo ng record. Ayan, delete. Okay, na-delete na, diba? Isang record na lang yun tira. Okay, na-perform na natin yung apat. Yung create, update, edit, and delete. That's all.